talk, I'm like, no comprende. Man.
When them talk, I'm like, I don't understand. Like, no comprende. I don't understand. What are you saying to me, my friend? I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do I mean? I mean, what do you mean? I mean. What do you mean? I don't understand. You speak English, I don't speak any English. I understand. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are doing Kyze Daily Duppy. I hope that's how you pronounce your name. Kyze. K-Y-Z-E. Big up yourself, Kyze. Big up yourself, man. J. We are doing a Daily Duppy. So if you see this, share it. Share it. You hear it? Alright. So let's just jump straight tonight. We're not wasting no time. Let's go. Let's go. Walk out.
Yo. Them man a gas like canister. They ain't never bust no caliber.
We are breaking down. See what you expect. Him said them man are gas like canister. The canister that gas them where the people them using the alien balloon them in England and then them get high. I don't know how them do that shit. But yeah, them man are gas like canister. Them not bust no caliber. Only thing them a bust a pimple. No caliber. Let's go.
This holds 6. You can hold 6. Nickname this gun Canada.
This hold 6. You can hold 6. So if it holds 6, that means that the spin barrel either the Magnum or the 38 you get. You see me? So it holds 6. You can get 6. The whole 6 of them. You can get the full barrel you can get. You see me? Nickname Canada. From the 6. Canada. Me get it. Alright. Thank you.
Sidestep man like Bannister. For man get wig like barrister. Forgive man work. Man better work. Man don't play with my calendar.
Oh, who is this youth? At the first man hear him. Kyze, pick up a fucking self, dog. Let's go, brother. Let's go.
Time is money, I add it up. Ride out gang, I'll saddle up. Fly out gang, I'm a traveller. Pecky, right, ambassador.
Nothing to say. He's saying everything. Guys. He must say everything, yes, sir.
I know OGs like Gallagher. Came up with a shooter and stabber. To live in the jungle is mad enough. But man is a hunter and gatherer.
To live in the jungle, it's mad, trust me, it's mad out here. But guess what? Man adapt to them situation. Man is a hunter and a gatherer. Man adapt to them situation. You see me? Man a king in the jungle right now. Although we live in the jungle, man a king out here, so you see me? Yeah, but cause we have to be like that. Yeah, that's what it was, I tell you.
Man came up against all odds. You lost your mind, you ain't on job. Can't trust no man move dodge. Don't need no one, man's on Todd.
I'm on my Todd, but by myself. You can't trust nobody. I came up against the odds. Against these punks. You know that? Yeah. Roll by myself and I need nobody. That's what the boss will tell you. Let's go.
SN1, you know man's squad. Finest cloth they cut man from. You don't know me, you know man's songs. G's don't sleep, where man's from.
Pussy, you don't know me. You only know me songs. That's, brother, you don't know me. Brother. You only know me fucking songs them, bro. So don't size up. Let me take off my glasses. Only in that trouble, you know. Put on my glasses. Let's go.
Bro, please, you ain't no don. Ain't face life if it all goes wrong. Don't face Kyze, it all gets along. Leave man sad, face so long.
If you're face, guys, trust me, they're gonna end up sad for you. They're gonna end up sad because you're gonna come up on the losing end. You see me? I'm gonna leave your face sad, and your family face are gonna sad too. That's how it. Don't size up. It's too long. It's long right now. Don't.
In this deep, it all goes on. Things we seen, heads all gone. Race of life, don't run that wrong. Think you run ship, get your vessel bombed.
Race of life. Don't run that wrong, brother. If you run it wrong, I run on the wrong road, my G. That's what the boss I tell you. You see me? Yeah. And them say something about the ship.
Things we seen, heads all gone. Race of life, don't run that wrong. Think you run ship, get your vessel bombed.
You think you run the ship, pussy, you get your vessel bombed. Want some orange juice? Who loves orange juice? I love orange juice. Is it true? I do. Let's go.
The mud man's hood grew. Bad man ting, but good you. Man eat good, smoke good too. Cali got me high as a good view.
Man eat good, smoke good too. Cali got me high like a good view. Cali, the weed, Cali, yeah? Got me eye like a good view. This is the thing there right now.
Won't let man in, I'll push through. Stand with them, get pushed too. Ends is rough when the hood's smooth. To hear no news is good news.
To hear no news is good news. Try know that. Sometimes to hear no good. But listen to me. From another hand, if you stand with them ups over there, so remember say you're ups, you will get pushed to. You will get pushed to, brother. You see me? The man don't tell about the 6. We're in the 6. You will get all 6. You see me? Yeah.
Every day above ground's a good day. Every day I save a round's a good day. Every day I do the rounds a good pay. He ain't around, that's what they would say.
Hey! Guys, calm down. Guys, chill. You hear the flow? Let's switch up. You hear him say?
Every day I save a round's a good day.
No, wait. Bring it back before that part. Listen.
Every day above ground's a good day. Every day I save a round's a good day. Every day I do the rounds a good pay. He ain't around, that's what they would say.
Every day above ground is a good day. Every day I save a round is a good day. That means say any day I go out there, I mean I have to fire my gun, it's a good day for the apps, not me. It's a good day because I'm willing to fire it anytime, any day. I'm willing to fire it. But if they're not fucking with me, I'm not going to fire it. You see me? Every day above ground is a good day. That means that every day you're alive is a good day for him. You understand? Yeah. Every day I do the round is a good pay. Jesus Christ, man.
He ain't around, that's what they would say. They want me around like, bro, you should stay. The feds can chain me, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐃. Don't
want me around like, bro, you should stay. So the feds could chain me up. The feds could arrest me like 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. That will never happen, dog. That will never happen. Man too smart, brother. Man outside, not the girl them outside. Let's go.
Give me the hump, it's not even Wednesday. When they talk, I'm like, no comprende. Man see me, better know the sensei. Man see me, better find the senses.
Hump day is Wednesday. So don't give me the hump. It's not even Wednesday, brother. Don't even give me the hump. It's not even Wednesday. Just chill. That's what the boss I tell you. Let's go again.
When they talk, I'm like, no comprende. Man.
When them talk, I'm like, I don't understand. No comprende. I don't understand. What are you saying to me, my friend? I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do I mean? I mean, what do you mean? I mean. What do you mean? I don't understand. You speak English. I don't speak any English. I understand. That's what the boss I say. Not me. Let's go.
Man see me, better know the sensei. Man see me, better find the senses.
When you see me, just don't say I'm the great. I'm the sensei. Pussy. I am the sensei. Try know that. Man see me, better find your senses. Don't act stupid. Don't act silly out here. You see me? Yeah, you will get man jumpy, brother. My trigger finger ready for jump. Don't ramp, you know. Exercise my trigger finger muscle. Let's go.
I'm not that guy that's behind the lenses. Man will sin with no repentance. Life in the street is my only sentence. Trying to appeal to the border trenches.
Life in the streets is my only trenches. No, life in the streets is my only sentence, dog. Life in the streets is my only sentence, brother. It's hard to be alive right now. It's hard to be out there alive. You see me? Yeah.
Jump through hurdles, walls and fences. Ops fell victim to all defenses.
Ops fell victim to all defenses. Yeah. Not fence, you know, not fence. Defenses. Yeah.
Yo. Trap suit seasons are mine. Trap through these hard times.
Trap truth. Yo, let's go.
Ain't no peas man can't find. Spent mad peas on car fines. No hard feelings are slime. Man been healing, can't lie.
Man say spend a lot of peas on car fines. So in park anywhere, in the business, in speed, him do everything that is bad against the Road Traffic Act in the UK. In the business, him just do him a do. Him not care. Spend all them peas on car fine. You don't know, you have to pay a car fine them sometime. Big of the people them who find some way of appealing against them car fine, but you have to pay.
Now I'm way past the past, moving past my favourite pastime.
Now I'm way past the past, moving past my favorite pastime. Now I'm way past the past, moving past my favorite pastime. No, I am way past the past, moving past my favorite pastime. Okay.
Man them want hear hard Kyze. Family want see calm Kyze. Gal them see my dark eyes. Can't read me, so ask my star sign.
Can't read him. There's... Lady, looking at my eye. Them dark, you can't read me. She asked my star sign. Don't worry about my star sign. I was born after December, before January. That is when I was born. Can't read me. Let's go.
Heart been scarred, got scar lines. She won't read my palm lines. I told her no, I can't hide. Trust in God, stars and star nines.
Bumbo clot. You see what the man trust in that? I trust in God, stars and star 9, brother. Follow that again. Pull that again.
She won't read my palm lines.
Never.
I told her no, I can't hide. Trust in God, stars and star nines.
Stars and stars. Not one enough. Stars and stars nines. Star and star nines. Can't read my palm sign. You gonna read. What you gonna read? Say, what are you gonna read? Read away.
Prayed for freedom, march times. Time eased the pain when Ma died. Can't sleep the same, get glass eyed. Now and then them demons pass by.
Now and then the demons then pass by and give me a visit, you know? Now and then them wake up, you know? Yeah, dog. That the back, yo. Brother, you're different, dog. You're
Young G's P's are past high. I tell him streets ain't part-time. You're feeling sweet and carbine, but your ops are beating carbine.
Brother, the street is not a part-time job. Once you're on the street, you're on the street. It's not a part-time job. So don't feel like say you can jump on the street when time you ready and then jump off back. Remember, see, your ups and out here beat carbine, brother. Your ups and out here beat carbine. So try and know that. The street is not a part-time job. If you can't angle the street, stay on the sidewalk. That is why they make sidewalk. They make pavement. Turn pan it if you can't angle the streets. Alright, you can't be a part-time bad man, alright.
Man best spend that peas wise. Man these shells no seaside. They show peace, not peace signs. In these streets there's no peace of mind.
In the streets there's no peace of mind. Man, I tell you that straight. In the streets there's no peace of mind. A real talk. No joke. Paranoid.
This game ain't got no half time. Free man them doing hard time. I know it's hard, I can't lie. All this pain and still I can't cry.
Free up the G them we had the hard time. We had the sell time. We had them long stretch of bread. But guess what, dog? So much pain, me can't even cry, dog. Like, me can't even cry. Like, me don't know where to start. You know? Yeah. My heart just frozen. Like, yeah.
Times are changing rapid. They killing all these rappers. They clapping all these trappers. Hack the 𝐁𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, madness.
Them a kill off the rappers, them, brother. Them a like rappers doesn't mean anything right now. Like, the life that some of these guys are living, not say the one that were there that I live that life there, but the life that some of these trappers and rappers are living is not a joke thing. And next thing him touch pan is the 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
They killing all these rappers. They clapping all these trappers. Hack the 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐶, madness.
Hack the 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐶 badness. The 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐃 is like a phone provider. Jamaicans, I'm talking to you guys who don't know what the 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐃 is. The 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐃 is like a illegal, like a underworld phone network where the criminal them use for talk and text and do them transaction pan and do them meetings and, you know, yeah, text each other. So the criminal underworld use that. The police them find a way for breach it, hack it, and get enough man gone to jail. Not much millions of pounds them finding in the UK. Enough man gone to jail feed. You see me? Yeah. And not even the UK alone. Across Europe, Spain, France, Netherlands, everywhere. You see me? So yeah, 𝐁𝐃𝐃𝐃 is a big thing for last year. And people still get sentenced for it this year, same way. You see me?
COVID causing sadness. Bad man ain't on badness. Lockdown got man shaky. Like what? You shook to grab this.
Lockdown make some so-called lion turn into puppies. Lockdown make some boy turn into puppies. Them in them house in them nappies. Yeah, that's what the boss will tell you. Lockdown mash up everything. Yeah, so what? Hold on. Me have a thing, you know? What? What you say? You afraid? What you afraid of? Because of lockdown? Man, come out here, come grab the thing and shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and come grab the thing. I want to hear you. I'm afraid.
Designed for life, I'm savage. I'm the survival package. Put man anywhere on God's green earth and man will manage.
Adapt again. Adapt to your situation. Put me anywhere. Put me on any other continent. Me survive. Because man is a survivor naturally. Natural survivor. That's what the boss will tell you, not me. Big up yourself, fam.
If you ain't on capping or clout chasing fashion, if you make shit happen, hats off to you, applaud your passion.
Applaud your passion, no joke.
Man, keep up that work rate. Out all day, man, work late. Man just got some work and split that dirt up, cause the earthquake.
I've got a nice work rate. Wouldn't you guys say I've got a nice work rate? Like, producing content for no, like giving up videos. As a song drop, I'm there. Like, I've got a nice work rate, guys. Like, big up me. Me have nice work rate. Big up the people who have nice work rate too. Big up people who are go-getters. You see me? No matter what your job is, big up yourself from your go-getter. Yeah, let's go!
RB, that's my workmate. Not standard, that's my shirt mate. Round here we party standard. Every day is the man them's birthday. Plug.
Every day the man them birthday. Every day we are party. Every day there's a reason to party. No matter if I lockdown or not, Boris Johnson, if I watch this, no matter if I lockdown or not, we're outside. I will not go in, Boris Johnson. Not go in. Yeah. Nah, go in. Go tell your wife and you're picking them go in, Boris Johnson. We're not going in. We're outside. Now get them outside. Let's go.
Hugs and links, drinks on drinks, toast to life, glasses chink, souls of gods, hearts of kings, not to bust my guns, the hardest thing.
Souls of God, heart of kings. Not to bust my gun, brother. One of the hardest thing. One of the hardest thing. That's why I said to you earlier on, say, yo, listen, if a day pass, I'm gonna bust a shot. You know what it is already. Yeah. Yo, in body, you fuck.
Hard to discover new audiences?
Fuck. Yo, in body, you fuck. Kyze body, you fuck. Kyze make up a friggin' self, me J. Me J, pass. 100% pass. That fire in the book there needs for them enough views, like enough views by a million by a man, enough views. Kyze make up a friggin' self. Jamaica rescue my talk to you, me G. Make up yourself, my fam. You see me? Fire, yo. Metaphors for days. You see me? Similes for days. Red play for days. Pun for days. Yo, you're bad, my fam. Guys, leave it in the comment section. If him have a next song where you want me react to that next video, put it in the comment sections for me so I can check him out because I don't know who he is. Big up yourself, my fam. You see me? Yo, guys. Out. Peace.